YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike. We are back with another video covering some more accessories for the Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the world's grippiest phone case. The world's grippiest phone case. That is a tagline for your behind. If you know, you know. Advanced anti-drop texture. This is the grip case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Let's pop this thing open. And looking at the box, we got a lot to look at. So let's start from the top. Ultimate grip customization, drop protection, camera protection, strong magnets, and a hinge mechanism. I'll let you pause and read all of this for yourself. Let's just jump right into it. Nothing on the back, nothing on the sides. Just again, more of that branding of the world's grippiest case. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I'm not planning on doing a bunch of accessory videos behind the Z Fold 8 Ultra. If you guys want me to, please let me know in the comments of this one. I did do a video on the screen protector from Dbrand, and I picked these up because for the price, Best Buy had a bundle where you can get both for like 70 bucks. And I felt like that was a really good deal considering that cases for these folding phones are usually really, really expensive. So I'm glad that I was able to make that happen. So let's take a look and see what all you get. So this is going to be that back piece. This is going to be that hinge mechanism that they were referring to. It looks like they give you some wet wipes, some alcohol wipes, and I'm assuming that these alcohol wipes are for the extra stickers that are here in the box. But if you redeem this below, you can get a free skin to go with your case. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So we'll put that off to the side. I guess I might have to cut that out of the video. And then the front piece is right here. So these stickies look like they are replacements for the front. So there's nothing to the back that's covering the back. So let's go ahead and slap it on. Just wipe down the back of my phone real quick. And let's go ahead and slap this case on. All right, so it's on, it's in place. Got it covering up that graphite. Feels pretty solid. And then we'll slide this out the way. I'm gonna zoom in just a bit. All right, so now we're gonna take these stickies off. So what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that your area is clean. That's the biggest thing that they want you to do with these. So we're going to grab this alcohol wipe. If I can get it out of there, this thing is beating my behind. I'm gonna grab this alcohol wipe and we are just going to go around the edge of the phone, make sure it's good and clean. So that way when we put these stickies on there, everything is what it's supposed to be. May not have been the smartest thing to go right behind it with my fingers, but all right. So we got, looks like one here we gotta take off. Okay, we got one right here to take off. I got big fingers and big hands, so I'm trying to do this in the most smooth way possible. We got one down here at the bottom to take off. And then we got the big boy right here to take off. All right, now that we got them all off, let's slap it on. Let's make it happen. Let's see, so we're gonna just lay it on just like that. I'm gonna try to get it as close as I can on the jump. Slap the bottom piece on. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just basically zoom out now. I'm gonna basically just press down on all the edges. I'm about to drop the phone, drop test. Press down on all the edges, press down on this part specifically where it is going to adhere to the main body of the phone. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Does it add some thickness to the phone? A little bit, but it's not that bad. It doesn't add nearly as much as you would think it does. And my fold feels protected. Leaving the house with this thing for almost 2 days in a row with no protection was crazy. But that is also the beautiful thing about the folds, is that they feel so good in the hand that I did not feel that dangerous. It just felt kind of like, man, this is like living life on the edge. But at the same time, I was okay with it. I really was. I'm using this to just wipe the screen down real quick because I can't stand how dirty my screen looks. And my phone Let me use this to kind of just come back through one more time here. My phone is on the factory settings because I just recently did a reset of it. I had to do a factory reset to fix a failed transfer. And you know what? I'm actually okay with that because I think it's going to be cool to start over. All right, so now, let's see. We got everything pressed down all around, all the different areas where the stickies were. Let's open it. Not a single issue opening the phone. Let's close it. Same thing. So let's open it. You don't see any movement. Let's close it. Same thing. Let's do it from the bottom. Let's open it. And then from the bottom as well, let's close it. Nothing. So yep, it's on there. So some people have their opinions and their feelings about the adhesive on the phones. On the cases, I'm looking right here. I thought I saw something, but it looks like everything is good. Like I said, some people have their opinions on it. This is what it is, man. This is where we are. So you know what you're getting. I mean, I feel like it comes down to you can either choose to be okay with it or you can choose to just leave it alone, you know. But we can also still advocate for better, and I'm going to continue to do that. There are case companies out there like Taurus. Z Fold 7 last year, none of their cases required any type of adhesive. So I know it can be done. I think it's just a matter of how the manufacturers want to do it and how they want to get it done. But anyway, all that to say, this is the Dbrand grip case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you want to see more accessory content, just let me know down below in the comments, and I can look at some more cases for you guys because there are some that I'm interested in. But the main thing being, the name of the channel is Tech King on a Budget, and a lot of these cases cost at least $50 to $100 just for the fold. So if you guys want to see a specific one, let me know. But until then, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.